And if you are seeing any hail damage and need to make temporary fixes so it doesn't get any worse, experts say you better get moving now. First up, make sure you take pictures of the damage, then keep your receipts for your insurance company and be sure to file it right away.
If you do sustain damage or you think you've sustained damage, go ahead and file a claim. One thing to keep in mind, should it be a pretty extensive event for our area, is the insurance companies are going to be inundated with phone calls. So if you can file your claim with your company using their mobile app or online, I would do so and do it as quickly as possible.
Experts also say there's a lot of fraud scams that come around after the storm, so be sure to check with the Better Business Bureau if it sounds too good to be true. And of course, check on your neighbors.